How to add text or title in Kdenlive. First of all, open your project in Kdenlive and go to the timeline where you want the text to appear. Next, click on the project menu at the top and select Add Title Clip. This will open the title editor window. In the title editor, you can type your desired text like a title, subtitle, or any caption. Use the tools to change the font, size, color, and position of your text to fit your style. You can also add shapes or images to your title if you want to customize it further. Once you are happy with your design, click Create Title to add the title clip to your project bin. Now, drag and drop the new title clip onto your timeline above your video clips, where you want the text to show. You can adjust the duration of the title by dragging the edges of the title clip in the timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to add text or title in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.